Good morning students. Today's topic is transferring CSV file to the data frame. Firstly, we should know about CSV file. A file with CSV file extension is a comma separated value file that contains text file containing data in tabular form, where columns are separated using comma characters and rows are separated lines. To create a CSV file, follow these steps. At first, open your Excel. Create a simple data. Here we are going to create a data frame of student. So write here column name, roll number, name and marks, and simple type of data. And press Ctrl S to save the file. Choose the location where you want to store and type here the file name. We use student file name, and in the save as type drop down menu, choose here comma CSV comma delimited. This option, CSV comma delimited, and save. Press yes and close this file. Again press yes, save. See here, a CSV file is generated. Okay. Now right click on the CSV file, press in property and copy the path or location of this file. Right click and just copy it. Close and open your Python idle. Create a new file. Import pandas as pd. Now df is equal to pd dot read underscore csv. Read csv method is used to import the CSV file into the Python. After opening the parenthesis, paste here the path. Use slash and the file name that you save. Our file name is student.csv. Inverted comma close, parenthesis close, enter, and print df. Now execute the file, is OK, and save the file first. df1 save. OK. Unicode इसमें decode byte and the position term. again execute. Sorry for interruption. Use here double slash. See here, this is the output. These are the columns that you save in your Excel file as CSV file, and these data are transferred to the Python programming language. Note that we use here double slash. It is the Python version problem. We use 3.6.4, but if you are using a different Python version, then no need to use here double slash. In some version it is necessary to use double slash. So this is the method to transfer your CSV data into the data frame. You can also use here some more parameter. Suppose you want to print only one column of the data frame, then you have to use here use calls equal to, and within the list type here the column name that you want to print. Suppose that we want to print only name. Execute. See here, from the data frame only name column prints, because you use here only name. If you want to print here more column name, then you have to use comma and the second column name marks. See here, next topic is creating a CSV file using Python programming. So see the process. Firstly, you have to create a data frame. Now we are going to create a data frame of product. Then df is equal to pd dot data frame. Use here the first product ID. Column and type here the product ID. Comma product name comma and then the list. And price. Calculations use. Now and print df. Invalid syntax. Okay, dictionary should be enclosed in a curly braces. TFPJ dot data frame, product ID, product name and price. First error, invalid syntax. Okay, firstly you create a dictionary called product equal and use here df is equal to pd dot data frame, use here product. Okay dear, we don't use here print statement, but so output does not display df. So this is the your data frame. Now you are going to transfer this data frame into the CSV file. Then you have to use the toCSV method. Now use here int pd dot, not pd, use here the data frame name df dot toCSV and type here the path where you want to save your file. Now we use the save the file in the data frame in the desktop. So firstly copy the URL, this, and use the double slash here. After that using here slash and type your file name product.csv and execute. See here, so this is the your output of first print statement, and this null returned by the print statement where you transfer your data. So see in the desktop this product file, it means this file is created. Now open this file, see here the data frame that you have created in the Python is transferred in this CSV file. Thank you.